Russell Barkley, PhD, says in his book Managing ADHD in School that students with ADHD benefit from using daily assignment sheets or planners for recording homework. I've had several students with ADHD with a 504 plan that lists frequent planner checks as an accommodation. This helps the student stay organized, which is super important in my 6th grade math class. It is the first year of middle school, so there's a huge transition to manage, and there are many homework assignments in math class. The frequent planner check is a great accommodation until the student forgets to bring their planner to class, forgets to bring their planner home, or forgets to bring the homework home. To help students with ADHD that receive this accommodation, and really to help any student that struggles with organization, I've decided to embed a Google Calendar right here on my classroom website. To do that, I'll go to Google Calendar, click the plus button, New Calendar. I called it Homework Calendar. So now on my homework calendar, I'm going to create an event. I'm going to give it the title of the homework assignment. And then I'm going to click More Options. Right here in Add Description, I am going to provide a link to the PDF of that homework in case they forgot to bring the homework assignment home. So I have it uploaded as a PDF already in my Google Drive. I'm simply going to share it, get that shareable link, copy it, and then paste it right here. Now I'm going to go into the settings for my calendar. I'll click on the homework calendar, and I'm going to make this calendar available to the public. Scroll down a little farther, and I can get the embed code to put it on my website. So on my website, I'm going to add the embed code option. Then I will click to set the custom HTML, and I'll paste it right here. And here we have the homework calendar. I'm going to publish it and then go into the actual website to see how it looks. I'll refresh this page. And here we have the calendar. I can click on this and I can get that link and I can copy and paste it into a new tab. And there it is. So if the student forgot to bring their planner to class, forgot to bring it home, or forgot to bring the homework home, that's not a problem. They can still keep up with their math homework assignments.